As a lot of you know, I recently went to the Get On Motofest in Fort Worth, Texas, and on the way there I shot a lot of footage, and I shot a lot of footage there and on the way back, and I'm excited to share all that with you. But I'm a little behind on editing because I've been working 50-60 hours a week, and there's been some drama going on too, so yeah, I'm a little bit behind, but that footage will be coming shortly, so look forward to that. Sunday's video is going to be some of the footage that I shot at Fort Worth. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this video, and look, here's a sneak preview of some of what you're going to see in the coming videos.
I can always tell when I'm going to know someone. You know why I can tell when I'm going to know someone? Because they look weird as fuck.
Oh, you know what?
You look like a weird motherfucker. I'm going to know that, dude.
I'm on another adventure to Rogers, Arkansas. This time my wife is going with me.
Your mouth is maple whiskey on mine. Kisses burn my throat, drip down to my belly, somehow keep me warm on the inside.
We're here at Heritage Indian Motorcycles. I brought my bike here so that they can do some work on it, do some factory recalls. And while it's here, I asked them if we could borrow a bike to go get something to eat, and they said absolutely. So I'm not sure what year it is, but we're taking this Indian Challenger. I got it, yay!
Huh?
I figured out the GPS.
Oh, good.
Okay, we're ready now.
Okay. Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And I wet my lips before I kiss the slender neck, 'cause I know your love is dry. Your mouth is maple whiskey on mine. I found it tends to best me in the fading light.
What's that?
Not a secret. Next time we bring the Roadmaster down and needs me in the shop for a few hours to get a bike,
Yeah?
it will be one with backrest.
Okay.
I'm not,
I will make sure that we do that
can't
next.
do it.
I will make sure.
Because I was losing my shit the whole time on this thing.
Sorry. So we're at Chewy's restaurant. Probably can't take the camera in, but anyhow, this is a restaurant that the dealer recommended. So we're gonna eat here if we can get in. They look pretty busy. What do you think? Think you could ride that one?
I bet I could. Especially with a good pair of boots.
Looks good. This may be a mistake, I don't know, but we're at a yarn store and I told my wife to just take as much time as she wants. So we may be here 10 minutes, we may be here 3 hours, we'll see.
Me, I'd rather disappear than be lifeless restless like the sea. Voices make your mind their home. Once they're in, they're never gone. When you feel like a burden, let somebody take it. When you feel like a burden, let somebody take it all. All my life I've been someone, been someone, been someone, and from them I have tried to run, tried to run, tried to run.
I guess they're gonna widen the interstate or
Walk away,
something.
don't look at me.
Oh yeah, they're widening it and they're building a bridge.
I'm not who I thought I'd be. Yes, I know that it's enough. Still I fight in self-destruct. When you feel like a burden, let somebody take it. When you feel like a burden, let somebody take it all. All my life I've been someone, been someone, been someone, and from them I have tried to run, tried to run.
Well, I'm going to be riding an hour in the rain to Rogers, Arkansas to get some recalled stuff taken care of on my Roadmaster. And I'd rather not do it in the rain, but you know, I can't control when it rains, so. And also, I guess this is going to be a good practice run for going to the Get On Motofest next week, because it's probably going to be raining then too, but it's just a longer ride. So I would just reschedule and do this later, but since I'm taking this on such a long trip, I would rather, I mean, it's not like super long, but it's long enough. But since I'm taking it on a longer trip, I want to make sure everything is good before I go. It was definitely a lot hotter last time I made this trip. Last time I made this trip, it was like 80 degrees. It's a bad day to be broke down. I didn't sleep well last night. I got the COVID shot on Thursday, and Thursday I mostly felt fine, but yesterday I started feeling pretty bad, and after I got home from work, I got a fever and I just had to lay down on the couch, and then I had to work this morning, and I felt alright, but I didn't sleep well last night, so I'm just really tired, and I had to go to work an hour earlier this morning than I do during the week, so, and I'm hungry and tired, so it's going to be a long day. Holy shit, he's got that thing way overloaded. Like, you see how when he bounces, see how the front of his truck's way up in the air? He's got that thing way the hell overloaded. He's got way too much tongue weight. That is not safe by any stretch of the imagination. Front of his truck is pretty much unloaded and he's fishtailing, and he's driving way too fast. I really need to do a review of this bike. I think I've ridden it enough now to do an accurate review on it, but I may wait until I get back from Texas to do a review of it. So, but there will be a review on this Roadmaster in the near future. Just now leaving Heritage Indian Motorcycles in Rogers, Arkansas. Got all of the recalled items taken care of on my bike. And now I've got to take care of the gas situation. My angry yellow light is on. So now I gotta go get some organic, non-GMO, gluten-free boom sauce from Free Range Dinosaurs. So, yeah. Also known as premium gasoline. But yeah, anyhow, I didn't do much. I didn't really do any vlogging or take out the camera while I was there, because I'd just been in the rain all day, and I was tired of being in the rain, and the sun's coming out now, but yeah, I was in the rain all the time, and then I was tired, and I got like 4.5 hours of sleep last night, so I was tired and just about fell asleep on the couch, or on the chair there at the Indian, and talked to people. And happened to run into a guy that took the MSF course with me. So, and now the sun's not really quite out, but it's not raining, so there's that. I should stop and get something to eat. I haven't had anything to eat except for a couple granola bars today. Slim Chickens, that might be a good place. You know what? I'm gonna go back to Slim Chickens. Okay, just getting ready to head home. I just ate here at Slim Chickens. Food was great, but I have to ask, surely I'm not the only one that thinks that their logo looks like one of those old-timey witch doctors wearing one of those metal masks to ward off infectious disease. Yeah, that's what it reminds me of. So, anyhow, it's getting late, and I'm tired. I only had 4.5 hours sleep, so I'm gonna head home and probably edit this video tomorrow.
Voices make your mind their home. Once they're in, they're never gone.